I also want to fix the AI attack direction. I'm going to go into the AI trigger attack. And I want to add a failsafe here. We have normal ground attack and forward ground attack. And before we trigger the attack, I want to make sure that the AI is facing the target. We have target is on same platform here, F12. I might need something similar. Okay, target is on right side. Let me copy this and come up with a new function. Is facing target. So if target is on the right side, and if the AI is facing forward, means we're facing the target, return true. If target is on the left side, then you want to make sure that the AI is not facing forward. In that case, return true. And every other case, return false. Save, and I'm going to go back to AI trigger attack. So first I want to make sure that the AI is facing the target. If it's facing the target, attack is true. And for the normal ground attack, I want to add the second condition, which is not moving. We want to look at the animation progress and check if the move forward ability is running. If it's not running, that's when we can do a normal ground attack. I'm going to copy these two conditions and pretty much do the same thing here for the forward ground attack. It's just going to be the opposite here. So for the forward ground attack, you have to be moving forward, but you're still facing the target. That's the difference. So copy it here too, where attack is being turned on. Okay. And for the flying kick, we're already running towards the target, so we don't need to fix this. And everything seems okay. I'm going to go back to Unity. I'm going to try to make the scene so that the AI is not facing the player, but close enough that the attack is going to be triggered. And click play. Okay, so now the AI is going to turn around and do the attack. It's randomized, so you're either going to do the spinning back kick or the jab. Okay, there's the jab. Let me also try putting the player down here. Okay, still works fine. And the player attack. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.